All right.
Okay.
Go ahead. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
All right. Is it going?
Uh-huh.
All right. Hi, everybody. This is flying, and we're gonna go eventually into the burping song. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Wait. We're gonna start over again.
Bubbles.
That's not.
Do they take bubbles?
This is it.
Well.
1.
Wow.
Spin.
Flying.
Spin.
I'm flying.
It can be, like I said, it's easier
There's
to
no
get over there.
sensation that's quite as sensational as
Now, look how close you are.
flying.
See, we can go over here.
Thrilling, fulfilling, and higher educational as flying.
Okay, so now we're in the corner. Now we're going this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spin. Okay, fly.
Way, way up there in midair to be touching the sky.
Stop.
Which I guess is why
1,
there is no
2,
feeling that's
3.
quite like the feeling of flying.
Okay, now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, spin. Okay, now we're going to the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going backwards.
Flying.
Up. Grab hands.
There is
Spin.
no high that's as high as the high I'm
That lady. Don't kill yourselves. All right, stop. Hold hands. Hold hands. Whoa.
What's that
Let's
sound?
look up.
I'm not sure.
What's that? It's going into burping. Getting ready for burping.
It's a fan.
Spin. We're trying to swim it. Holy smoke. What are we going to do? Try.
It's gonna come to this.
It's your turn. All of a sudden.
Oh, how I love to burp.
People burp from Atlanta to Antwerp.
Burp. Burp.
From John Wayne to Whiter.
Just as birds love to chirp.
Every guy loves
Okay,
to
you face
be
each other.
happy. Happy birthday to me.
Okay, you can stop it.